I'd like to share with you my trail journal entry. It's from 7 October 1998. It's the day we summited Katahdin. We awoke early and started up Katahdin at daybreak. At first, Earl was a bit shaky. The morning air was chilled, and Earl said it was making it difficult for him to breathe. Soon, other thru-hikers began catching up and passing us. All were awed by his presence. Earl climbed, scrambled, and clawed his way up the side of that mountain. I watched, ever in amazement. I felt as though I were observing the essence of human drive and determination. The man used fingers, elbows, and knees, whatever he needed, to get up that mountain. I don't think I shall ever forget it. Later that night, while sleeping in a cabin owned by the Baxter family and used by the champion of Baxter State Park, Governor Percival Baxter himself, Earl awoke and penned these lines. I'll never forget this, because I was sleeping right next to him when it came to him. And Earl said that's the way it happened. They just came to him. And when they came to him, he said, I have to write them down. And this one that came to him, this one was a beaut. He got out his flashlight, and he got out his pen, and he got out a pencil, and this is what he wrote. Katahdin, you love it, and you fear it. It is wild and harsh and high. A mass of ancient granite towering into the sky. From the Indian who revered it to the climber of today. A symbol of a spirit that can never pass away.